Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shell Trade token. Ticker symbol is SS20, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Shell Trade token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Shell Trade token. So there is a max supply of 1 billion Shell Trade tokens, ticker symbol SS20. This is a cross-chain token on the Solana blockchain, and it is a BRC20 token as well. You can check out their Unisat link or their SolScan. Now, how the token is distributed here, we got 8% going to partners, 65% going to public sale, 7% going to liquidity, 8% ecosystem, 7% listings, and 5% team. You can find their webpage at shell.trade. They also have a Gitbook, shell-1.gitbook.io/shell. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 18th at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get the Shell Trade token, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on the 18th, anytime after 11 a.m. UTC time, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol SS20, and then simply just buy the token. You can follow their Telegram at Shell_trade. 4,612 Telegram members, so they're doing pretty well there. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen here. You can find that at Shell Trade. 24,500 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, 162 tweets. That's where they're going to post updates about new listings, especially big ones like this Gate listing is retweeted on this Twitter there, so check that out. And all the info is going to be on their Gitbook. So Shell Trade is a pioneering protocol designed to seamlessly integrate the liquidity between Bitcoin and Solana networks, facilitating fluid asset transfer and interoperability. So the Bitcoin network is decentralized, secure, traceable, and verifiable digital currency network implemented through blockchain technology. It serves as the underlying technological infrastructure supporting the operation of Bitcoin. In March 2023, the BRC20 token standard was introduced. And why would they choose the Solana network? Well, Solana also stands out as a high-performance blockchain infrastructure optimized for cost effectiveness and usability. So there's a bunch of different reasons why they chose Solana and why they chose Bitcoin. Now, their vision here, it says Shell Trade is committed to enhancing the liquidity of Bitcoin network assets. We aim to develop a suite of products that facilitate the seamless movement and effective utilization of Bitcoin assets within the Solana ecosystem. Our first product is a cross-chain bridge designed to safely and efficiently transfer BRC20 assets from the Bitcoin network to the Solana network, while also enabling a seamless return of these assets back to the Bitcoin network. In the next phase of our development, Shell Trade plans to broaden its support for additional BRC20 protocols, including Atomical and BRC100s. We also will integrate NFT assets from the Bitcoin network. Furthermore, we aim to partner with projects within the Solana ecosystem to facilitate functionalities like trading, lending, and farming for Bitcoin network assets on Solana. So the bridge here, they show how the bridge works basically in a graph if you want to check that out. But it says a cross-chain bridge is a technical solution that connects two different blockchain networks, enabling users to transfer and exchange assets between distinct blockchains. So they chose Solana and Bitcoin, Solana and Bitcoin. Now there is other bridges too. I've seen with other projects where they bridge BRC20 with Arbitrum, or BRC20 with BNB, or BRC20 with Ethereum, etc. So their objectives here are: cross-chain bridge aims to achieve the following objectives: facilitate the transfer of tokens from the Bitcoin network to the Solana network, provide a secure, efficient, and real-time cross-chain transfer mechanism to ensure asset safety and transaction reliability, reduce the costs and latency associated with cross-chain transfers, and support unified asset movement, allowing users to receive the BRC20 assets back from the Solana network. So they go over the technical implementation, but basically they're locking contracts, there's monitoring nodes, and there's confirmation mechanisms. They also have a security measures section where they talk about smart contract security, multi-signature mechanism, and monitoring of risk management. They do have a tutorial section that will be coming soon, available on their Gitbook. And we already went over the tokenomics for this project. Now, like there is TGE, like there's linear vesting for like the team tokens, and certain tokens, like they get unlocked at certain time periods. You could check that out on their page. And they have their Discord. You could join the Discord as well if you want to get involved with the conversation about this project, along with the Telegram, the Twitter. Their webpage, shell.trade, at the very top, it has a farm coming soon, and then you can also click on the bridge if you want to check that out. They also have a launch section, a dashboard section, all their socials at the top of the page. And if you want to get involved with Gates, they have a launchpad event going on here. So this is, it's basically a startup. So they call it the initial free offering. And you can get involved with that, where they have a $15,000 airdrop event. You can check that out on Gates Twitter at GateIO_startup. Or you could find the retweet of that on this Twitter right here at Shell Trade. So go check this out before this token gets listed on Gate. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Shell Trade? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.